Hello, this is Elliott Wave. How's it going? Happy Friday. Hope everyone is doing well. As always, please let me know if you can hear me. I'll double check. But yeah, you should be able to hear me just fine. But please let me know. So let me get everything sorted, and then we can get started with the live stream as always. As every Friday here on Elliott Wave. So let me just notify everyone we're live. Great. And then okay, so that's been done. With some tabs. Interesting, to say the least. Friday, Green Friday. Despite what happened the last 2 days, 3 days, let's say the middle of the week, but actually nothing that we did not forecast, and we'll go over that in today's session, as well as obviously you guys ask me whatever you want me to ask, so ask me. Actually, let me just. Okay, so ask me anything to analyze, as well as let me leave the link for the free Discord where I daily post updates, analysis, and I just answer questions, ask you guys questions, and so on and so forth. So let's see what so okay, so yeah, any questions, let me know. Anything you want me to take a look at as well. So I'll just open here some tabs. What do we get started with? Let's open the FX tab. Should be right here. Okay, so oil invalidated account, as you can see here, which is interesting to say the least. So not quite as expected. It makes me wonder. I mean, now this must be a 3-wave move. So I wonder if we're gonna get something like this. Guess we'll find out. But definitely that was not a 5-wave move off the low, which is why we did not enter. We were playing on it in the Discord, but there was no confirmation. There was no 3-wave move to the downside. This could have been 3, but it didn't meet equality. We like for equality to be met. That was 68.1, 61.8%. Sorry, but didn't quite make it. So wonder what's gonna happen now. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see if it actually is how it's gonna play out. So yeah, curious about that. And what else? What else have we got? So yeah, guys. By the way, as I said, as I wrote else in chat, any questions, just let me know. That's all. So I guess that's my best. Yeah, I mean, this in gold highlighted in yellow here. It's proven to be a strong zone of support. So yeah, looking for upside, because just that's what I would look for. I'm not sure, so I'm not taking any trades when I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like to me. Gold, on the other hand, kind of surprised me. It did. I mean, it took me by surprise. So I have to be honest, I'm not sure what is happening. And we broke all-time high. Yes, we did. So yeah, not sure what's happening. I mean, we were looking for upside resumption. Just I was looking at potential 5-wave move here completed, but definitely doesn't look like it. So now I'm wondering what's happening. And I guess we'll have to find out. I wonder, could this be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a diagonal? Could it be it? Oh, sorry. Let's check if not the best we want. So wave 4 must be shorter than 2 in order to be a diagonal, and it is not. I mean, yes, it is. So wave 2 is longer. Yes. So that would be wave 4 here. So yeah, it could be a diagonal. Not a good looking one, but it doesn't break any rule. So this could be an ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I did see this as a potential triangle. I was just confused. So it could be something like this. I guess we'll need to find out. Maybe we'll pull back and then move lower. Oh, sorry. But yeah, we'll have to find out. But yeah, any questions on gold, any questions in general, just let me know. And then what else do we have? So we have the Dow is quite interesting. So if I take you to the Discord, I can show you. I did have a position in the Dow. I actually shared. I said, basically, I said when, let me just scroll back so you guys get an idea that I like to put my money where my mouth is, as the saying goes. So, let me see. Where were we? Nope. Okay, so I said I closed my longs on April 28th on the Dow here. This is what I shared in April 26th. I said looking for upside, I entered myself to the long side. And then I just said that I added to my Dow position at the time. So as you can see here, that's a Dow, yes, 30, and that's a profit. Not huge, because I don't have to show, just, my point is not showing off, like I make thousands. It just, I do what I say. So that was forecasted, and as you can see here, we were obviously looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 5 up, always comes 3 down. So that's what's happening. 5 up. I'm not gonna trade it. I'd rather wait for a larger pullback. So something like this. We might have just finished wave A. We could be setting ourselves up for wave B, which could also eventually be a sideways move. Who knows? Then down, and then at that point look for upside. So if we do get another move lower, I will be looking for upside, and that would be wave 1. And that would take us high to all-time high. That would take it ridiculously higher. So it is a Dow. I guess we'll need to find out. If you zoom out a bit, you see how this could be, regular TA. That's what people will call an inverse head and shoulder. So we'll need to see about that. But for now, I am happy to just leave it like that and see. And as I say, take it one wave at a time. Oops. There you go. So yeah, looking for upside there. As always, any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to take a look at whatever you guys want or any questions in general. Bitcoin, I'm looking for a wave B to be in the making. It could be a triangle. I don't know. We'll have to find out. But overall, I do expect one last move lower. If I zoom out and I show you, I'm looking here at a potential bottom here. We talked about it many times. There's different scenarios. We could have a bottom. For now, one of my primary wave counters suggest that we do. And then potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up in wave 1, down in 2, sharp wave 2. Again, up in 1, down in 2. I thought that the alternate would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 1. That's also possible, I guess. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Obviously, for the count you're looking at right now, wave count validation would be a break north of this line at basically 30,000. So we'll have to see about that. Let's see how it plays out. And yeah, let's just see what's gonna happen. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Oh, up 6%. Yeah, I did have a more of an unclear view on ETH. Not too sure what's going on, if I have to be honest. Didn't I have... So yeah, I was looking at the potential of this wave 4 here. So I guess we'll find out. This might be a triangle in wave 4. I don't know. Not the best looking one, but still possible. Guess we're gonna have to find out. As always, questions, thoughts, or opinions are more than welcome. Okay. What else? Yeah. So here on Kellogg, we do have an entering setup. So let me zoom out. So I'm looking at long-term count. And long-term, let me take you into the weekly. It looks like we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, triangle in 4, and now we are zooming higher into wave 5. Now, back to the daily. This would have been triangle completion, leading diagonal into wave 1, 3 down into wave C, and we're moving higher. So at this point, I'm looking for a 3-wave move to then look for longs. And just basically look for upside resumption within wave 3 of minor degrees, or the black one. So yeah, this could be an interesting opportunity, interesting setup for the future. And I also had an eye on Coca-Cola. Yeah, okay. So it's interesting. Looks like we might be in a potential triangle in wave 4. And we could look for upside. B, C, D, and E. So we could now be looking for upside. And what else? Amazon not so bullish. UL just looks really bullish. We reacted off of a very large golden box, as you can see here. So it's been extremely bullish. It rallied what 25% off those lows, so quite bullish. And also let me okay, so oops, let's take a look at Tesla, because we did have a golden box which we reacted from. We analyzed it in the Discord as well. We've been tracking out Tesla for quite some time, so I'm still not sure whether this wave 4 is completed. It may not, to be honest. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at it. Yeah, so this might be a 3-wave move, which it kind of makes sense with what I'm expecting on the indices. So this might be a 3-wave move. So if we do get one last move lower, I will be most likely looking for longs myself. So let's just take, I'll just wait for the confirmation. Let's see what retracement we're in. Shy of 50%. So yeah, this would be the area where usually, if it is wave 4, it would start to pull back. So we're gonna have to find out. We'll see. What else? So yeah, any questions as always? Anything you want to ask? Anything you want to analyze? Just ask. Or any questions or anything. Happy to get out if I can. Take a look at Apple. Did we have earnings? Yes, we did. That's why. Okay. But yeah, looking for a crazy upside here on Apple. Not much really to say. My count is still at a bit. It's not really the clearest. So yeah, crazy upside to Apple. Not surprised. I am looking, after all, for wave 3, almost at all-time high yet again. So it is Apple after all. Facebook, Nvidia also trading pretty higher. I am looking soon for at least a pullback. I'm a bit bearish on Nvidia, as you can see, because I do identify this as a 5-wave down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna have to find out. I think it is RSI should be, yeah, RSI is showing some sort of bearish divergence, but that alone doesn't mean much. What else have we got? So right now, my only current open position, and obviously these are not financial. It's not financial advice anyway. It's just what I do. It's been open for quite some time now. LRCX, Lime Research Corp. I entered. Let me see, where did I enter? Right there. I was looking for upside continuation after a triangle wave 4. We did move higher, retraced lower, did not panic. What I did was I moved, and it still is my stop down here. I think I might move it here because what it looks now to me is a 1, 2. I do see, let me zoom in. And actually, let me just get rid of this. Okay, I do see here 3 waves. So I am looking for upside. So overall, I'm looking for a potential leading diagonal to wave 1. So in order to be a leading diagonal, wave 5 must not be longer than wave 3. So wave kind of validation will be here. So am I looking for upside? Yes. Will we get upside? I don't know. Ideally, 590, usually 6.8%, usually represents some sort of resistance in this case. So let's see if we can get there. What I can do is just taking one wave at a time and move my stop according to what my wave count says. So we'll see about that. But yeah, again, any questions, anything you want me to ask, just free to ask. The latest setup we shared in the Discord was this access trade, which has been moving nicely, not gonna lie. This one, and basically, let me show you once again. Trade ideas. Oops. So when was it? A couple of days ago. Okay, yeah. May 2nd, potential triangle, I said. So I was looking for upside there. And so yeah. Moving as expected. Hello, Eric. How you doing? It's good to see you. So yeah, this is moving as expected. It's even time to move the stop a bit higher, even an entry. Ideally here would be ideal for wave kind of validation, but entry also wouldn't do any harm. What else have we got then? Hood. This better turn up higher, but I know what's gonna happen. Might get stopped out here. We'll see. What else have we got? Nasdaq, yeah, it does seem more aggressive than the S&P, than the Dow. What's the S&P doing? Okay, the S&P, I do have a similar count to the Dow. So again, we'll need to find out. But yeah, as always, any questions, anything you want to take a look at, feel free to ask. What else could I show you guys? Let me think about it. frontier. Problem. So let's get started, Eric. I knew it was gonna come. XRP. Prodding on. Okay. This one. Oh wow. I was big off, yeah. I mean, my question would be, to be honest, why would you want to find a bottom if it's going down? I mean, I'll be honest, I used to be like that, but then, I mean, I just realized that it's much better to go with a trend that against. Because I know that trying to catch a bottom is tempting. You know, you think, oh, if I do catch a big reversal, it is big money. But I mean, it would be wiser to move lower. Because I mean, even my answer, I mean, it does look like a big compass correction, which doesn't surprise me. But I mean, we keep making lower lows and lower highs. So really, it's just, again, hope you get my point. Plus, it's really noisy, you know, and by noisy I mean, you know, it's disturbed. I mean, it just so that it's really hard to predict. I have a bag. Yeah, I mean, it might be just, you know, an ABC, like a pullback. But I mean, you know, if it's a question of it has strong fundamentals, I believe in the project, and so on and so forth, what I would do, again, obviously these are not financial advice, but what I would do is just buy it unleveraged and hold it, small position my crypto portfolio, and just hold it. But I wouldn't, you know, go on with leverage and try to, you know, find the bottom. Could be William White, Ben Jerry. Yeah, I agree. That's why I measured. Yeah. That's why I measured legs, but yeah, I agree. It's possible. Okay, spot is good then. Spot will do. It could be, yes, based on the levels. It could be. I mean, it kind of passed equality through. I mean, without even bothering too much. That's the only reaction it got. Past equality. It just kind of used equality as resistance. So yeah, we could go all the way down there. It's possible. What else we got? Let's see. So this is one. So just as you know, not as a rule. I mean, just for additional confidence, I like to have 3 RSI divergent. In this case, for bullish divergence, I would like to have 3 higher lows and 3 lower in the RSI, 3 lower lows in the price. So maybe in the next one you might see something. But again, it's not that I trade off of that. I just use that as additional confidence to my account. So yeah, let's take a look at dollar USD. So yeah, I guess not much has. Don't like this, to be honest. Wow. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, this would need to be like sort of 1, 2, 0, 5, 3, 4, 5, which it's not ideal, to be honest. But yeah, it does look like we are still in wave 4. Let's see. Can we count this as 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't look like a diagonal. So this cannot be a diagonal because wave 3. I just label it so it's a bit clearer. Degree is not important right now. So this wave 3 is longer than this wave 1. If it is a contraction diagonal, every wave must be shorter than the one before. So 3 must be shorter than 1. As you can see, this is equality at 5.32. So it cannot be 5 waves. Therefore, and this must be 3. Can easily see as A, B, C, or whatever that is. So yeah, overall looking for still a correction in place. And yeah, let me know any other questions, or any of you guys, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Yeah. Again, any questions, anything you want me to ask, guys, just let me know. yeah, just let me know. Oh, let's see what else. What else we've got. Also, yeah, interesting here on the DAX. By the way, looks like this could still have been wave 4. Gold futures. I did take a quick look on gold. I came up with a dip because I was kind of caught by surprise. So we definitely, with I think we're in a triangle since August. Not quite, because it can be a triangle because this is lower than this. So if this is A, B, C, cannot be wave C because this is lower. So we broke through all-time high today and yesterday, sorry. So we actually, I was looking for this. Actually, let me zoom in, otherwise you guys can't see anything. So I was looking here at a 5-wave move. I've been tracking it for quite some time. And basically, this could, it does look nice, but it doesn't break any rule. I checked earlier in the live stream. It could be wave 5 as an ending diagonal. Again, it does look nice, but I checked. No rules are violated. But that means we're going low. We're going down. So we'll see about that. I'm not convinced to go long. I'm not convinced to go short. I'm just waiting, to be honest. So yeah, that's basically my view. In terms of analysis, in terms of trading, I'm not biased in any direction. So yeah, just let me know if you have any other question. A triangle to form. This year I. So you mean that we're gonna start a triangle now? I'm a bit confused. So I think we're a triangle since August, because you said August 2020. But also, again, this a large correction already since August, lasted 2 years. So I don't know. It just, I don't know. I wouldn't like that idea. to be honest. But yeah, well, let me know first. Anything else? Any other question? I mean, again, gold is gold. So to get gold data is it's nearly impossible. So to be honest, when it comes to, extremely long-term count, I mean, I don't like this myself. I mean, in terms of size, this is gigantic. This should be a higher degree, but it's smaller. So, it's very hard. However, I mean, if you look at the corrections, such as this one, they do look similar in size and time, and they kind of look similar to these. So we could assume we are the same degree, at least that. But again, it's really hard to do when it comes to, as I said, extremely long-term counts to be as accurate as possible. But overall, really, I do support upside. We might get higher or not. Sorry, not into this wave 5. Yeah, this could be 1 degree higher. This should be 1 degree higher. Don't mind that. But also, one thing we need to keep in mind is if this wave 1 and we aren't with this wave 5, one target for wave 5 is often equality to wave 1. And equality here would be, wrong tool. Equality here would be right here, 21.27. So we'll only see about that. Again, any questions, let me know, but it's not really easy. So yeah. Any question, guys? Anything you want me to ask? Just shoot. What have we got here? Still. Also looking here for upside. DXM, Dexom, Inc. Potential here, triangle wave B, looking for further upside. Do I have an alarm here? Yes, I do. Alright, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. Guys, as always, thank you for joining. If you watch this in replay, feel free to join the Discord. We can meet there. You'll find me posting every day, analysis, so feel free to post your stuff and ask for my questions as well. So I do recommend joining the free Discord. And hope you find, as always, this helpful. We're here live every Friday, so hope to see you next week. And thanks for now. You guys have a great weekend.